time we think about the money, we get money or not. But if we don't get money, what will get another? It's can to improve myself or not.
Okay.
Maybe
Payback, yeah.
Yes, what is the payback?
Love
for
is
me?
money, like Cinta Laura.
But when I'll move in Makassar, yes, in the Independence Day, I have a program also in the Bona, and I see the thing is not thing about the money or what is the feedback or the no. In Java, we show off ourselves in the program,
Okay.
but in Makassar, I think the volunteer is to say malu-malu kucing.
Shake it. No guys, don't support this. Don't imitate this, yeah.
Okay, they don't show themselves. Yes, they just show the program. They don't say their self. It's different.
There is the money money orientation inside. No, there is
yes, there's not money
Okay.
orientation, but it's good. But this just depend on the person, right? It's good or not. But I think in Makassar it's good. But I think if we need money also actually. But in the volunteerism program, if we don't get money, we have to know what is the payback. Maybe it's the social, right? Because just in my opinion, if I do the volunteerism program, I don't think about the money. I don't think the show off. But actually, I'm happy when I do it.
Okay.
Yes, I'm so happy when I do it. That's
Happy, come along. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Ito? Talking about social dedicated, of course, it is very similar with volunteerism, right?
Yeah.
What kind of volunteerism you like it, and why?
I actually, by mingling to the society is the true social dedication, volunteering. So if you have a program, you should go to the society, mingle with them.
For example, like in Almarcas, I'm not sure about the day, every subuh, there is the sayur.
Really?
Ya, dibagi-bagikan di Almarcas.
For real?
Every subuh. Yeah.
Oh.
You may check it. You may ask Ustaz Sudirman about it.
Yeah.
But okay, back to you. What kind of social dedication you like and why?
I think I'm going to choose education, because
Education. Why?
because it is my background.
Okay.
I like to teach,
Mm-hmm.
and also, I mean, it is kind of dry, because if you want to educate and you really hope for money, I don't think it will work.
Okay.
So I guess, I just try to be realistic, by the way. I mean, I really want to give some
Education because is based on your background.
I really want to give some impacts to the society. I mean, real impacts
Sure.
to make difference, right?
Mm.
But for me, in the series, kind of hard, So maybe I will go to some village.
Where?
Try to educate the the people.
Where?
If I don't know, maybe in some ideas in future,
In how to say remote area maybe?
Yeah, perhaps the
Yeah.
local areas.
Remote area.
Yeah, remote areas.
Okay. Nice. It's very how to say in English mulia ya? Mulia ya?
Glorious.
Glorious. Okay. What about you, Taufik?
Yeah.
What about you? We talking about the volunteerism. What kind of volunteerism or social dedication you most favorite and why?
The social dedication that I really into is teaching English for children.
Teaching English for children.
Because I used to do it with my friends in Mak Bicara,
Okay.
and it's for free.
Okay.
I'm so happy when I teach the children because it's make me throwback when I was a child.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When you was child, you have also you got experience when the people or maybe kakak and mahasiswa at the time gave you experience or lesson when you was child.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really like it's really fun to connect with children because it give us more energy, and also we can learn to
You may
connect.
practice. There is child here. A lot of child here. Yeah, child. Okay, so you are very. I mean, like with children.
Yeah, yeah.
It sounds like Guru TK, yeah. Okay. Any else? You have any addition, or you keep your statement?
Maybe if I have a chance someday,
Mm-hmm.
I want to like build some bridge to connect with from the village to other village.
Okay.
Because it's I feel so much when I back to my hometown
Mm-hmm.
in Goa.
Mm-hmm. Where are you from originally?
Originally I'm from Bantaeng and also Goa in Beringbulu.
Oh, Beringbulu.
Yeah.
I have speaker before here also from Beringbulu.
Oh, yeah.
Birbul, yeah.
Yeah.
Berimbulu. Berimbulu have a hot water, right?
Yeah.
Pencong.
Wow.
Right?
It's near from my hometown.
Hot water, guys.
Invite us.
Hot water from the mountain, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pencong village. You may research, guys. Yeah. No B, yeah. No B. B. Okay. Iklan. Okay, enough.
Yeah, enough.
Okay, what about you? What kind of social dedication you like and why?
I think like same with Mr. Taufik, teach children. I like children, okay, but if
Once again, I love children here. There is children. Okay, continue.
But if I teach children, them always make I emotional. And my student say to me, why Miss always angry for me? Because you so make me dizzy.
But the most important is you like to build connection with the children because like this is your charger. You charging the energy when you close with
true.
the children, right?
Yeah, true.
Okay, giving applause for us first. Yeah, we are still here, of course, with Ito from Max, Rasul, yeah, from Mak Bicara, Tera, yeah, from ECC, then also Taufik from Mak Bicara. And guys, you may comment in our YouTube channel, guys. Maybe you can ask something, and after that we answered your question, guys. And okay, back to the topic about social dedication. If you guys have a planning to be volunteer and social dedication or dedicated, which area your dream to be and why? I translate to Indonesia, smart listener. Jika kalian pengen mengabdi ya, melakukan pengabdian sosial di daerah mana yang paling kalian inginkan, yang impikan, dan mengapa? Okay, who gonna first the speaker to answer?
We were thinking.
Which Raja Ampat, Borobudur, Jogja, Aceh, where? Okay, Russell.
Actually, because it is my personal, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm
Anyway, wait. See in the screen.
okay.
Our clothes are the clothes colors and the blue all. Where is the blue? You blue? You the camera. Okay, continue. Sorry.
I hope it's just in the city.
Yeah.
Yes, because my plan I am focusing on mental health, right?
Yeah.
because I'm counselor and I'm
You are counselor.
yes, I'm counselor.
Oh,
so,
revealed.
uh,
Here.
I'm
Which
graduate
area? Which area your dream? Sorry.
in the city.
Where?
Specific actually in Malang.
Oh, Malang. Oh,
Malang.
Batu ya. Batu
Yes,
Malang. Oke, continue,
because
continue.
I study there.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yes, I'm graduate from psychology, and
Mhm.
then why I don't want to go to in like Banda Neira or in
Yeah.
Java. Yes, I ever go to in Banda
Okay.
Neira to become a volunteerism program,
Mhm.
but it's not just how to say niat. It's
Mhm.
different.
Mhm.
Go to Banda Neira is not just volunteerism. It's the
Mhm.
healing.
It's
the
that's-
holiday.
That's so good.
Yes, never mind, never
It's
mind.
cool.
Yes, never mind. Go to something is the
Uh-huh.
holiday, but we can think and we can imagine if a lot of people youth go to in specific place
Yeah.
like Banda Neira or anything,
Mhm.
and it's just to make a short program,
Mhm.
and they just need a documentation.
Ah,
Yes.
actually, like there is no sustainable
Yes.
effect or
Yes, there's no sustainable-
impact. Yeah.
Yes, there's
Only just after that.
finish.
Finish.
Just finish
Mhm.
because they just need the documentation
Okay.
and
upload to your
yeah,
Instagram.
to your Instagram
Mm.
and the exploitation
Okay.
the place.
Oh yeah. And
And-
suddenly, automatically, there are a lot of people, massive people come there, and
Yes.
after that, rubbish everywhere.
Yes, rubbish
Okay.
and it make a different character for
Ah.
child.
Okay.
Like they need support for actually they need support like snack
Mhm.
is the volunteer
Snack.
no is the food food, yes, and we change the culture.
And the dilemma is like, this place is from hidden gem to the damaged gem.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
Oh my God.
And I don't like I don't like that.
Okay.
I don't like it. So I want to stay in city, focus on the mental health and the
We want to focus to city.
in Malang. Why?
I think city Nurhalisa, guys. Okay.
Why? Because I don't know
Uh-huh.
what is the data from
Mhm.
Makassar about the suicide, right?
Mhm.
But in Malang, it's so high the data about suicide.
Accurate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Ito? Where is the place you're dream to, do volunteering or social dedication or dedicated, and why?
I think in Takalar.
That's a color.
Yeah. Why?
It's a color.
Yes, Takalar.
Why?
Because I have family there,
Oh,
so
yeah.
it's a kind of like a support system for me.
Mhm.
So when I'm going to
Buta panranwangku ya.
some areas,
Takalar.
I can I can educate the
Mhm.
children perhaps.
Okay.
But maybe the second place I wish to visit, if it comes to the social dedication, maybe Jogja. Yeah.
Where is the, because Yogyakarta is province, which is the area?
I don't know. Particularly, I want to contribute something. The place where I was born
Mhm.
in Rumah Sakit Sarjito.
Oh, you are Sarjito also.
Yeah,
Your name
I
is
was born
Sarjito.
there.
Oh, that's why your name is Sarjito.
Yeah.
Oh
of
my
course.
god. Oh my god, it's
For
very
real.
philosophy.
Yeah, really.
Yes, Sarjito. His name is Sarjito.
So-
And you was born in Rumah Sakit Sarjito.
Yeah,
That's why.
I really want to.
Mhm.
I really want to
Continue.
contribute something there.
Oh
Actually.
yeah. Mhm.
So this is kind of like a possible dream, yeah, perhaps,
Mhm,
because
mhm.
I have a right to go back home.
Mm.
I just want to do something payback to the people there.
Okay. Okay, next. Thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. What about you? I listen my voice on smartphone to open this YouTube channel. Who is... Okay, forget it. What about you? Yeah.
Can you repeat your
The
question?
question is the
Yeah.
same. Where is the favorite place or your most dream to be or to do volunteerism or social dedication?
I think my planning
Mhm.
in Bulukumba, Pantai Bira.
Why?
Cause Pantai Bira so beautiful, the sky and the view so good. I like that, and I'm programmed in Pantai Bira, maybe gotong royong, in and clean the in lokasi
Wait
Pantai
a
Bira.
minute, guys. I feel itch here, Kang. Continue.
And I and komunikasi with warga lokal gitu.
Okay.
I don't have idea.
Especially maybe in area Pinisi.
Oh yeah.
Pantai Bira, area Pinisi. You know what I mean, area Pinisi, the area specifically to build or create Pinisi, perahu Pinisi in local people, something like that. There is very cool because a lot of tourists go there and of course do research, and after that you can interview the tourists. You can get many insight there.
Yeah.
Okay, trust me, it works. Okay, like Alman, yeah. Sorry. Okay, what about you? Do you get a point?
Yeah. Well, there is several places in Indonesia that I'm really into to be a volunteer. I've been apply in to be volunteer in Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah,
What the
in
name
Instagram.
of the program of volunteering?
I forget the name of Instagram, but it's about we go to Labuan Bajo.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
That's why I'm interested.
And meet the Commodore.
Yeah.
Labuan Bajo. Why are you laughing? The Komodo dragon is the one and only in the world, only in Indonesia. We can find in other place, right? It's called. Continue.
Yeah, I think it's good if I be volunteer in Labuan Bajo because I will have a friends from different cities.
Yeah.
And also, especially why I want to apply this because the program is teaching the children also.
Okay.
Yeah. And also clean the environment there.
As always, you like
Yeah.
children.
Yeah.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah, I'm really into to be there because if we teach the children, it especially young generation, it will be give them like to inspire them to become a responsible future. Someday.
Yeah, guys. Okay, my next question: how do you think about the people who is not appreciate with the volunteer? They consider them. They say just voluntary is not only wasting your time. There is no money. There is no benefit, direct benefit. Why do you do that, guys? There is no money. Of course, you just wasting your time. How do you think about the people who always say like this?
Yeah.
The people.
I think we have to do it some action because life only once. Yeah,
Life only one.
Yeah, life only once because maybe someone who talk like that, they don't understand how they can to like how they to given their self to be volunteering.
Do you think the people or the Oknum say that you just wasting time? Are they apathism, or they just useless to say like that?
I don't think so because become a volunteer, it makes us to be more like have a lot of experience because there's a lot of lessons life that we have to stroke with the real action.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so just shoot your mouth, guys. When you say wasting your time, this we have an impact. Yeah, we have a impact for peoples, and you, what can you do? Apa yang kalian lakukan ya? Kalau saya membuat impact, kalian gimana? Kayak gitu ya. Okay, thank you. What about you? How do you think about the people who always say you just wasting your time, hanya buang waktu to be volunteer?
If the people say like that for me, I say, please, can I do it? I will try. I will show to you guys. If I if I do it, the people can trust me.
So if you do volunteerism or to be volunteer, you can give trust to the people and appreciate to you, and like the people who always like, oh, Tera is very good, very kind, because Tera always help the people, something like that. Impression.
I mean like that.
Which what? I mean like that, or how you like that?
It's Blackpink.
Okay, okay, continue. Thank you. What about you? How do you think about the people who always like negative thinking, or just apatheism, or maybe skeptics about the volunteer?
Okay, if there's people say for what you do the volunteerism program,
wasting time.
It's just wasting time. You then get the money. I always say, maybe you never feel when the child cry when you leave the place.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Because you never maybe poor.
No.
Mungkin orangnya nggak pernah miskin, ya?
No.
Okay. Continue.
Because it's different feel. When I in the village, and I do like 1 month there, to become a volunteerism program like KKN, and we live, and the people cry, right?
Oh,
and it's different feel.
Oh my
and
god.
We cannot pay with the money. The feel.
Unforgettable moment.
Yes, unforgettable moment, and you maybe you can get 1 million. 1 million, but
then say, don't leave us.
set the condition. Yes, we and I think it's so expensive moment. We cannot pay with the money.
You like K-drama or India drama?
No, actually, because I ever feel when the child, yes, a lot of people there cry.
Okay.
And yes, I'm also crying because they cry.
And now you cry?
Because yes, it's so difficult to say what I
deep feeling.
Yes,
You feel the feeling.
Yes,
Okay.
and I think if you say we do the volunteerism program, we don't get money, we just waste the time. Just try one volunteerism program, and I believe you will try again.
Just try one month, and after that you get skin
black.
No, and you will be buy many skincare. Sorry, kidding. Okay, what about you?
Yeah.
The same question.
Actually,
the same color.
The idea of volunteerism is about to change, to change the people. So, if the people think it is just for nothing, it means that it doesn't give so much impact.
Okay.
Maybe there is impact, but only little. But at least by volunteering, that indicates the power of inspiring. Actually, by doing just a small thing, even a tiny thing, you're gonna inspire the people. I mean, the local people around there. So, I guess that's what many volunteer have experienced.
Yeah.
I mean, the power of inspiring, even just only tiny bit.
Like a brand. Forget it. Okay.
So I think yeah. Only the problem is yeah. I think I think I've already said that yeah. And only the people think it is bad because there is something that we want to change. We bring some agendas to local society, and hopefully it will change even just a tiny.
Okay, guys. Keep your statement. If you have a prepare yourself to mention about mention about a wise word, idioms, unfamiliar words. Yeah, maybe you have, guys. Or before we are going to talking or mention about the idioms, unfamiliar words, and some kind of that. Maybe you can conclude your statement, our discussion for this evening. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
I think this is a hot topic here.
Hot topic, okay.
Yeah, because I feel hot actually here. I mean, I feel the atmosphere if we're talking about social dedication, and this is something I really want to learn more, and I'm gonna practice.
Don't worry, you will get many salary. Yeah, maybe 3 how to say it? 3 juta per hari. Okay, continue.
Yeah, but yeah, you know that. I mean, if you just want to do this social dedication, it means that you have a big soul, yeah, a good soul, I guess, because you don't want money to do something. I mean, it is actually, if we are really thinking about dedication, it means like this is something part of us, yeah, something part of us that wants to show to the society, and this is not something just we study before. This is something that doesn't live from you.
Okay.
So I guess like that, bro.
Okay, thank you. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening, Taufik?
Yeah, so talking about social education, it's not only about accept it, but it's about what are we giving the yeah.
That's it. Okay. What about you? What is your conclusion for our topic for this evening?
Before we topic today, I don't know what is social dedication, but after that I know.
You get many insight for this evening after this discussion. Of course, your knowledge is how to say. You get a lot of you're knowledgeable about social dedication this evening.
I mean ternyata I know.
You may say in Indonesia. Okay, come on, do not hesitate.
I say ternyata bisa aja, ternyata aku tahu Ji.
Thanks to God, alhamdulillah ya. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion for our discussion for this evening?
Okay, talking about the social dedication. Social dedication is love, and we cannot pay the love with the money. We pay love with the feel, with the action, and yes, the last I want to say, we have Makassar people, Makassar also Sulawesi.
Okay.
It's the gemar berbagi. Yes, and because karena kita gemar berbagi, so dalam darah kita social dedication. Itu sudah ada dalam darah daging.
Mendarah daging.
Okay,
thank you guys. Giving applause for us. This is the last for us. Oh my God, it's so sad. But don't worry, we will of course meet again in the next week. Thank you for Ito, from representative of Max. Thank you Rasul, Sul from Mak Bicara. Thank you. Tera Bait Jana from ICC. Thank you Taufik from Bicara. Thank you guys for coming in our second home on English program. Smart of Your Life English Discussion, Smart FM with English Community. That's all, smart listeners and viewers wherever you are, about our topic discussion for this evening. As always, listen and watch Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia. This is an inspiration, especially in our program English Communities every Wednesday at 7 until 8 p.m. See you guys for the next week, the next topic. Good evening, good night. Bye bye.